you doing, everybody? So going into my next set of videos, I think the next one I'm going to do is going to be a shave video with me trimming down this forest of a beard that I've got right now. So I had made a straight razor on my 2x72 grinder from AmeriBrade. It's the AmeriBrade Fastback. If you're interested, check out my assembly video and the unboxing video, and you can learn more about that. But it is featured at the end of the assembly video. You'll see the straight razor kind of being tooled up on there. So I've got it as sharp as I think I can personally get it without investing in some additional stones like, 20,000 grit stone, 15,000 grit stone. I've lapped it on a leather stropping belt on the grinder. It's a 2x72 leather strop with some green compound, and then I've taken it to a straight razor strop for around 400, 500 strokes on that. So it is pretty sharp at this point. I'm pretty confident that I can get through this with it. So that's going to be coming up, and hopefully I don't need a trip to the ER or maybe touching up with a bunch of Band-Aids from the cut kit. So we'll see how that works out soon, and that's going to be coming up here in the next couple of days. All right, that's a tea tree shave butter. Oh my God, it smells fantastic. Hopefully it'll focus good. It looks like vanilla frosting, but it's not going to taste like vanilla frosting. You want to eat it when you look at it. You really do. It looks really good. But I've used that to test shave up here on my upper cheeks, and it's worked out pretty good. And I'm going to use that to shave all of this. So that's my homemade tea tree shave butter. So hopefully that works out and I don't end up in a hospital.